Hey everybody, welcome back to Messenger First Edition. We are here with Amy Hermes, the Telehealth Director at Wise Health System. This has been a highly unusual week as we've all adjusted to life, social distancing, our kids out of school, basically all taking precautions to help prevent the spread of COVID-19. And I know some people might be concerned or have some concerns about going to the doctor or physically showing up at a doctor's office. But in addition to the extensive screening you guys are doing to keep everybody safe, you also have another option, right, through telehealth?
Yes, we do. So to reassure everyone, yes, our hospitals and our clinics are doing everything possible to make sure that it's safe for entry and there's no way of spreading the virus by taking all precautions. But some people still prefer not to leave home, and some people with immunocompromised status or the elderly, those at high risk for COVID complications, may opt not to leave home at all. And for them, we have something called the Wise eHealth app. And this app is available on the Apple Store or in Google Play. It's an app you download and register your account. You can request a visit with a physician then 24/7. And a physician will call you or contact you by video. It's your preference. And you can have any minor health care symptoms evaluated that way without ever leaving home. So we see patients with flu, sore throat, rashes, pink eye, some of the things that you think, yeah, these need to be seen, but I really don't want to go out in public when they're telling us to stay home as much as possible. So it can treat a variety of those things. The physicians will evaluate and treat. And erring on the side of safety, every single patient who's seen also receives a screening for COVID. So they look at risk factors and they ask you a series of questions to determine if you have any risk for that. If they find that you have risk for COVID illness, then they give you recommendations on how to manage your symptoms, or if you need testing, they can escalate that if needed. I will mention testing is pretty hard to get these days.
Yes, that's what I've heard.
Not everyone qualifies, but they do have a process in place for that if it's necessary. The app is $45 for a visit, but there is a coupon code called WISE5. And when you register and request your visit, you have the option of entering that coupon code, and when you do, you get $5 off your first visit.
Oh, great. Okay.
The app is open to everyone, so it's not just employees or any certain patients of Wise Health clinics.
You don't have to
in the
see
community.
a certain doctor or anything like that.
Anyone in the community can use it.
Great.
So it's affordable, it's convenient, and I think right now that's the big thing is I can stay home. You may not get an immediate call back from the physician, but you can continue on with your day. You can finish your work at home, whatever you happen to be doing. And they'll reach out to you by video or by phone, whichever you selected.
Awesome.
And then you complete your visit, and we see it used a lot in the working population. They use it so that they don't have to take off work to go to the doctor. So you can finish it on your break or maybe at lunchtime and then pick up your prescription if it's necessary.
Okay, fantastic. Well, I know my family's used it before and found it very helpful. It was a time saver, and plus in our particular situation, it was nice to be able to stay home and not have to venture out, make that trip. So it's very useful. In the meantime, while you guys are staying at home and limiting social interaction, the Wise County Messenger is working hard to keep you informed. Be sure and get a copy of the midweek paper. We have several stories related to COVID-19 and the response of local officials, and some safety precautions and things that the hospital has put in place. But we're trying to cover every aspect of this because it has affected our community in many ways. And we just want to help keep everybody informed, safe, and healthy. So be sure and get a copy of the paper, and also follow us online because paper comes out twice a week, but we are posting new stories every day to make sure we keep up with everything. But before we leave, can you tell everybody one more time where to get the app and the coupon code?
Yes, the app is available in the Apple Store or on Google Play. You just download it and register. Once you request your first visit, that's when you have the option for the coupon code, and you just simply enter WISE5, all lowercase and no spaces. So it's WISE and the number 5.